So we are at a condo unit in a retirement community that we finished remodeling. We did not do much in this particular property, and we are now under contract for more than we even anticipated. So in this particular case, it made a whole lot of sense not to do a heavy remodel. So what we did, we threw everything away. We repainted all the walls, we put in new carpet, we fixed a few other little things and staged it and sold it at, this one ended up going under contract. We're under contract at $227. So, you know, as long as we make it to the finish line and the buyer doesn't back out or anything, we'll sell at $227. The highest comp we saw was $230. And sure, things are going up a little bit. Maybe we could have got $235. Maybe that would have been setting a new record, and we probably would have set a new record if we had completely remodeled the kitchen and bathrooms. But we would have spent somewhere in the neighborhood of 15 grand to do that, 15 grand more. We ended up spending 15 grand on what we did here, which was a bunch of wallpaper in between the, like ripped up wallpaper from here over. We ripped all that out, fixed the drywall. We bondoed the countertop where there was some damage that if you look really close, you can still kind of see, probably not on video, but here, maybe with the light on here, you can see a little better. But anyway, some damage to the countertop that we bondoed. We put a new dishwasher in. We put new laminate floor down. It was old, failing laminate floor. So besides paint, carpet, small amount of laminate floor, fixing that countertop, we put some Bondo and holes in the tile here where there was an old shower door. So we kind of fixed that. We redid the caulking to get rid of any signs of black mold and clean things up. But other than that, this is all original stuff. We did not do much, and we're under contract at $227, right? So we could have stretched to get $235. Instead, we're under contract at $227, and we spent a total of 15 grand. We would have spent at least 30 grand if we redid everything, and maybe gotten, you know, $235. So if you do the math, we're going to end up about 8 grand better off, and the deal moves a lot faster the way we ended up going. So it's important that you really look at the comps and make sure it makes sense to renovate everything before you go doing that. I think the reason that this particular unit was better to do what we did is the demand is higher for affordable units than it is for a really nice fixed up unit. And the demographics 55 and up. So if you're 55 and over, you're not seeing this style of kitchen as a big downgrade as compared to white shaker cabinets and like a white quartz top, right? They're just, this is more normal for that age group, right? So that's why we did what we did with this one. And thanks for hearing, listen to me share what I took away from this one, and look forward to seeing you in the next one. We've got another house we're closing on here next week, so look forward to showing it to you. Thanks for watching.